What's up, ladies and germs? The PE guy here. Today we're going to learn 3 locomotor movements. We're going to learn how to slide, gallop, and skip. With sliding, I'm stepping to the side and then dragging that other foot. With galloping, I point my toes in the direction that I'm going, and then I step with my front foot, and then I hop, bringing my feet together. And I always keep my front foot in the same position. It will always be in the front. My back foot will always be behind. With skipping, let's break it down and do it slow motion style. I'm going to stand on one foot, and then I'm going to hop on that foot, and then I'm going to step to the other foot, and then hop. Hop, step, 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 hop, step.